Jack writes in with a question on Ninja only CPA study plan using the book versus sparring. I've been studying for a few weeks and struggling to figure out the best CPA study method to pass the CPA exam with Ninja only. Should I read the book first or watch a Ninja sparring session? Could you recommend a study plan for me so I can take my FAR CPA exam in 4 weeks? So the Ninja methodology is, the Ninja framework is nail the concepts, intense notes, nonstop multiple choice questions, just rewrite your notes, and then it all comes together. So if you're going Ninja only, and what that means is you're only using Ninja CPA Review to pass the CPA exam. Plenty of people do it. You don't need another course. Now, most people use Ninja as a supplement because by the time that they've ever heard of us, they've already invested in another course. And so they either add Ninja or they switch to Ninja only. Because Ninja has everything that you need to pass: book, lectures, cram, audio, 7,000 multiple choice questions, 300 plus sims. Like, you don't need anything else. But if you've already invested in another course, might as well use both. Use the best elements of both. And so you want to nail the concepts either with a Ninja book or Ninja sparring. If you are a self-studier and want to read, then you can use a Ninja book. I personally would not enjoy doing that. I would much rather watch the Ninja sparring lectures with Ninja Mike, where he walks through everything from a journal entry perspective, goes over practice questions, multiple choice questions in the Ninja MCQ test bank. And plus the sessions were recorded live anyway, so there's some Q&A in there as well. I would nail the concepts with Ninja sparring and then take intense notes, then nonstop multiple choice questions with Ninja MCQ. Just rewrite your Ninja notes. Most people probably don't take enough notes to rewrite your notes. So I would rewrite the Ninja notes, and then it all comes together. And I'd watch the Ninja cram over a weekend, all the while listening to the Ninja audio and reading the Ninja notes as many times as possible before your exam. Now, FAR in 4 weeks, that's a pretty tight window, so make sure you're studying for 25 to 30 hours per week. Definitely doable, but I think 7 weeks is kind of the sweet spot for FAR. 4 weeks, again, pretty tight, but you can do it if you're really focused and you're hitting that at least 25 hours a week, which you can do if you're following the L plan. But definitely doable. If I were you, I would start with Ninja sparring.